Hello everyone. The first stage was extracting all the cities and their link to their first page of their restaurants. Here we have 1,459 cities in India, and this is the link for all of the cities that we need to extract their data. The next stage, let me close this one. The next stage is to extract the data. The first thing is we gonna copy the link in the driver. It opens the page as you can see it here, for example, and then we are going to the page of that restaurant, and we're going to extract data that we want. For example, here is the name of that restaurant. Here is the address, the number, and what else do we want? For example, if it has a website, and if it has a list of the food that they're gonna serve in the restaurant. Here, let me just run it from here. It opens the page, then it goes to the restaurant, and it extracts data to the CSV file. As you can see it here, for example, this one and this one. You can see this one here and the other one here. It starts to extract the data right away. There are 1,400 and something cities. This one is 933rd city. Let me show you, for example, this one. It extracted a few minutes ago. This is the name of the city, the link to that page, the name of restaurant, email if it has one, the phone number, the website if it has one. If it doesn't have, it puts it blank, the address to that restaurant, and the name and the kind of food that they're gonna serve. You can see it here. There are, for example, for this city, they had 1,790 restaurants. So as you can see, this script goes to the page of the list of restaurants, then it opens each restaurant and extracts the data that we want.